Has anyone ever heard of Raiz? I know, it's a weird question to start a video with, but trust me, it's relevant. I've been seeing this platform pop up more and more in my social media feed, and I'm curious to know if anyone else has tried it. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly understand what Raiz is. It's essentially a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money, often rounded up from your daily purchases. So, if you spend $10.23 on coffee, Raiz will round it up to $11 and invest the extra dollar. Now, the big question is it worth it? Is Raiz a legitimate way to build wealth, or is it just a gimmick? Let's explore some of the key benefits and drawbacks of using Raiz. Benefits of Raiz. Accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of Raiz is its accessibility. It's designed for people who might not have a lot of disposable income. By investing small amounts regularly, you can start building wealth without breaking the bank. Automation. Raiz takes the hassle out of investing. Once you set it up, your investments are automated, so you don't have to worry about remembering to contribute. Diversification. Raiz offers a range of investment options, including ETFs and managed funds. This means your investments are diversified, which can help reduce risk. Education. Raiz provides educational resources to help users understand investing. This can be helpful for beginners who are new to the world of finance. Drawbacks of Raiz. Fees. Like any investment platform, Raiz charges fees. These fees can eat into your returns over time. Limited control. While Raiz offers some investment options, you don't have as much control over your investments as you would with a traditional brokerage account. Performance. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Raiz performance can fluctuate, and there's no guarantee that your investments will grow. Personal experience. I've been using Raiz for about a year now, and I've had a mixed experience. On the one hand, I like the convenience of automated investing. It's a great way to save money without even realizing it. On the other hand, I've found the fees to be a bit high. Call to action. If you're considering using Raiz, I'd recommend doing your research and understanding the fees involved. It's also a good idea to set realistic expectations and be patient. So, has anyone else used Raiz? If so, what has your experience been like? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.